Hey. Hi. Hello.
Huh?
Can you hear me?
Huh?
Yeah. Hi. I was just wondering, who are you wearing today?
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
I said, who are you wearing today?
Oh, me.
Hello.
Hi.
Hola. I had an idea. That's sometimes a dangerous thing when it comes to me. Since I started making content, I've always really gravitated towards photography and creative photography, especially throughout lockdown. And so I've done a lot of self-portrait photo shoots. At one point I did the Vogue cover challenge. That was before I'd started making my own clothes. Now I'm like, maybe I should make a magazine cover featuring pieces that I've made. Do you see where I'm going with this? Like where my brain was whirring at? I'm telling you, this is where all the best ideas come from. I feel like we should get started. So initially I need to kind of pick out the outfit I'm gonna go with. I kind of want to do something crochet because that's kind of been my forte at the moment. My whole concept kind of involves water, so I don't want to go crazy and like ruin my crochet pieces. We're gonna see as we go along. This is one of my favorite things I've ever made because you wouldn't know that I made it. Not to toot my own horn or anything. This is unfinished, otherwise I would wear it. It's gonna be like crochet top, and as you can see it's got like cutouts in the side, and then there's gonna be a matching skirt. I kind of want to do a really over-the-top layering thing. We might just have to try stuff on and see if it works. I've kind of come up with a basic concept. I'm going for like strange layering that kind of works, if that makes sense. So there's this top which I made. I didn't design it. I saw one on Pinterest and I was like, I want to make that. But I made the pattern myself. Same thing with the skirt actually. I have a pattern on my account for this skirt. So if you want to make it, it is there. I've also got these glasses, which I'm thinking will add to it a little bit. I don't know what I'm going to do on my feet. I've got these red shoes actually. I literally just saw them as I said that. Like a cutesy little red shoe moment. I want to use my digicam with the flash on to get like really high contrast pictures because that's kind of like my style of photography. I kind of want to do something like this, like crazy makeup and then weird warped angles and poses, and I'm gonna do it in a shower, like with some water and some weird angles and using the glass. I think it would be cool. Right, I'm gonna do my hair. Now what do we do with my bonnet? I don't really want to put any heat on my hair just because I've done it a lot recently. I'm going to separate it into two like this and then plait these bits into multiple plait. These earrings are actually so scary because if I literally catch them at all, I'm so scared they're going to tear my earlobe. Why do I kind of love what I put together? Wait, let me put you in some better lighting. So I have my hair in these little plait things, which I've never done before, but I'm kind of actually loving it a lot that I might do it normally, which I don't know if that's a bit weird or not. But like with the glasses, the pink ties in, it's just delicious. The crochet skirt, the crochet top and this lace top is kind of wacky, but it kind of works, which is really odd. It's giving I'm going to the arcade, I'm really odd, but kind of cool. But I decided to take a shower in my clothes first. It's a little bit of a strange setup, I can't lie to you. I did a little bit of kind of under eye makeup. Kind of really like it. Anyway, sound is gonna be really bad because we are in the bathroom. I did a test shot and the test shot was potentially one of the coolest pictures I've ever taken in my life. So I'm thinking maybe this is gonna go better than I thought it was gonna be. The way I kind of do this is I start off with one idea and I kind of work my way through 100 bazillion ideas, but it's kind of not got any rhyme or reason. I'm kind of just chopping and changing little things until I get different shots. But I'm going to show you what I've taken so far and kind of like the setup. This is the shower, obviously, and I've set up my ring light with pink and purple tissue paper over top of it, so it's casting this like really nice pinky purple light. And then I've got my camera here, which is set up on here. It keeps turning off, which is bugging me. Oh, you can't really see it, but obviously I'll put them on the screen later. But they're kind of like really cool. It's got the glass in front of it, so I'm pulling this across because it's got the water droplets on it and it's actually turning out really, really cool. But yeah, I'm gonna set you up so you can kind of see the process. But this actually looks cool from here as well. I might try one from that angle. It's kind of like a whole system of how to do it. So I've got the camera here. I've got it set up on timer so that it will like wait 10 seconds, then take 10 pictures. So what I do is I slide the glass across with my hands still through, focus it on my face, click the button, and then like prepare to take photos. I'm gonna try smushing my face against glass even though it's wet. That was disgusting. I've got more props. There is really not much room here to work with. So I've got this coat, which I'm gonna try on, potentially with the water running. And I'm gonna try my digicam to take those pics and maybe put the glasses on. I think I've found like a potential cover already. It's not focusing on the clothes though, which is kind of annoying. But like it looks cool. How am I meant to get in here? Like there are so many camera legs and stuff. I balanced the legs on a toilet roll so that has a bit of extra height. But basically I want to get some higher angle shots and I want to do some weird poses. And then on Photoshop I can kind of drag my body out. If I still have Photoshop, because I've got my results now, so they might have decided actually she doesn't need it anymore. Can't lie, my camera died, so it didn't film any of me getting absolutely... At least you'll see the photos. I just want to clarify, do not try this at home. I combined electricity and water by putting my ring light in the bathroom because I am stupid. Luckily, I'm still here. Jeez, do not do that at home. That was really stupid. Right, so I have all the photos downloaded to my laptop now. What I usually do is I duplicate them into a different folder and then I go through them and delete the ones that I don't want to edit and kind of work my way down until I have my favourite photos left. We have lots and lots and lots and lots and lots, as you can see, because I shoot in 10s, so like when I click the button it will take 10 pictures. So it ends up being like loads of pictures. So I need to go through and just pick out the ones that I really like. Before I do anything though, I want to show you this one because this was like an accident and it's low-key so cool. I've managed to narrow it down. I say narrow it down, there's still at least 100 pictures here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 62. I'm actually like kind of really surprised how well these turned out. I'm using Photoshop to create the magazine cover. I'm going to use this picture as the cover. I've also got another option that is this one. I am realizing that my cover doesn't really show my crochet pieces at all. Don't know why, but my camera stopped filming. Oh, it's because it's about to die. I just made this and I'm a little bit like, oh my god, I just made that. Kind of don't know how I made it. I kind of was just playing around on Photoshop. I learned how to do this bubble lettering and it is so cool. I was literally just playing around with it and I put all of the effects that I had on the other page onto a different picture and then edited that picture. And I like it a lot more. Look how much glitter's on my face from earlier. So this was the one I had before, which don't get me wrong, is still really cool. I really like it. But it looks better on camera and I can't quite tell what it is. I think this needs more contrast. But then I did this one. And I like it so much. Ignore my hair. This is your fault because I had to go in the shower and didn't wash my hair, so as in when I was taking the pictures. So I have finished editing everything. I am like very short on time and there is a lot more that I would do to these things. Like I have so many ideas that I want to do, but I'm not gonna be able to do them in this video. So you're just gonna either follow my Instagram and I'll pop them out there if I do end up doing anything else. For now, I'm going to show you what I've done. So I have made 2 covers, which I will put on the screen right now. Then I've got like several pictures that I edited just to be cool pictures because I think they're really cool and I really like them like that. So these are those ones that I've warped some of them a little bit, and if I had more time I would do way more to them, but I just don't. And then last but not least, I made this animation as well just because I love animating stuff. and I just really like the way that turned out as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. I've literally loved doing this today. It's a little bit different, but I really felt like I wanted to take some photos of my crochet pieces because I don't have many to promote my work. I do just want to mention that both of these designs I did copy. I just want to show that I can replicate something from my brain because I didn't use patterns. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you go follow my Instagram so you can see all the pictures. And yeah, I love you all, and I'll see you in next week's video. Bye.